Hello and welcome everyone. This is less than a minute. Today we have two words, while and during. People confuse those two words. They mean the same, but they're used differently. Now, let's try to put while in a sentence first to understand how we use it. Normally, while comes before the ing, verb plus ing, the clause of a gerund. So, for example, while I was recording, my phone rang. So, that's something happening, and another shorter thing happened in the middle of that long thing. Now, how about during? During is used before a noun. I cannot use it with a clause with an ing. I cannot use it with any clause. Okay? So, for example, during the record, my phone rang. So, during the record, the recording part, my phone rang. I hope it was useful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.